Hello, welcome to MG's Question Corner. I'm Fran Schreiner, and today's question is from David in Wisconsin. David asked how to identify the suitable parts for 3D printing. The easiest way to start looking at are the smaller parts. Typically, what we like to do in MasterGraphics, we like to take a walk around your manufacturing floor. We start taking a look at your manufacturing process. Maybe we can create jigs and fixtures for your assembly lines. And then we look at potential short run production, and then we go to bridge to manufacturing. Another good example are the aluminum parts that don't necessarily need to be made out of aluminum. The PA12 nylon material from the HP 3D printers, the powder material, they're pretty strong materials. So we consider the material, we take a look at the material properties for those specific parts. And depending of the material properties needed, we can be using the PA12 nylon material from HP and 3D print those parts. If this question resonates with you, please feel free to reach out to me or to MasterGraphics. I'm happy to continue this further discussion with you. Thank you.